Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Superpepe token. Name of the token is Superpepe, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Superpepe token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Superpepe token. So the Superpepe token is on the Binance Smart Chain. They just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 29th at 8 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Superpepe token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Superpepe, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So December 29th, 8 o'clock UTC time, so that means it's available now on Mexc. Now this token already has 3,061 holders according to their BSC scan. There is 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 42,068,990,000 Superpepe tokens. If you want to join their Telegram, it is at Superpepe_PE, and it has 13,830 members. That's a good place to join the conversation about this token. 431 members are online right now. And then they have their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here on the screen. 86 tweets you can go through. It says, Zoo Kingdom's Super Frog brings Zoo Kingdom into a new era of joy and entertainment. And right underneath that on the Twitter, you'll see that they have a full link tree. Now, the link tree is basically going to take you anywhere you want to go. They have 14,900 Twitter followers, and they just joined Twitter in October 2023, so they're doing very well for a brand new project. At Superpepe_X on Twitter. Now on their link tree, they have the Superpepe shop. You can check that out. They have a link to their webpage, Telegram community, Twitter, Reddit, Zeely, YouTube, and Discord. So tons of other socials as well. Now, they do have a pretty lengthy white paper as well for a meme token. It's a 20-page white paper. So they go over, some basic things here, and then they have the important project info like roadmap, tokenomics, stuff like that. So you can find that all on their white paper. So new meme culture ecology on blockchain. With the development of the internet, meme culture has become a unique cultural phenomenon worldwide, and with the promotion of blockchain technology, a new meme culture ecology, Superpepe, is poised to emerge. Superpepe is a new project that combines blockchain technology and meme culture. It is committed to creating an evolutionary version of Pepe with a unique application ecology, providing users with rich digital entertainment experiences. First of all, let's take a look at Pepe culture. Pepe is a network culture symbol originating from the United States. It is mainly characterized by humor, relaxation, irony, and teasing. expressing a unique cultural mood. Pepe has become an important part of meme culture, and Superpepe will inherit the unique culture of Pepe while developing its own application ecology. Superpepe will build a brand new ecosystem through blockchain technology to provide users with a rich digital entertainment experience. In this ecosystem, users can create, share, and trade their Superpepe digital images and get rewards by participating in various games and activities. In addition, Superpepe will also provide a series of innovative functions such as NFT trading, digital art creation, gamification, social interaction, etc., so that users can enjoy digital entertainment while also obtaining rich digital assets and rights to interests. In order to achieve this goal, the Superpepe team has carried out a series of work. They have completed the construction of the blockchain platform that they are developing a series of applications and functions on, and at the same time, they've established partnerships with multiple partners to jointly promote the development of Superpepe. In general, Superpepe is a very promising blockchain project. It combines meme culture and blockchain technology, providing users with a digital entertainment experience. Through innovative ecosystem design and strong technical support, Superpepe is expected to become a leading digital asset trading platform and an innovative digital art community. For those who like meme culture and digital entertainment, Superpepe is undoubtedly a platform worth looking forward to. So, the development of the internet provides a broad platform and spectrum to spread the meme culture on various social media platforms, like images of Superpepe. That's what they're trying to get at here. So the goal of Superpepe's project is to meet the diversified needs of users, building a complete Pepe ecosystem. So to provide a rich emoji library, so you can collect and publish these, and then there's enhanced interactivity, like comments, sharing, likes, all that type of stuff on social interactions. Personalized customization, changing the clothes, hairstyles, expressions of Superpepe, cross-platform sharing, and community construction. Their implementation plan, so they're going to start with preparation, creative design, technical realization, user experience optimization, community construction, post-maintenance. And let's skip down here to the tokenomics here of this token. So, well, first of all, some of the things they're going to offer, they are going to have their own swap program, it says, eventually, their own swapping platform, a DApp program, then they're going to have a staking program where you're going to be able to stake your Superpepe, and then a referral program, so you can refer Superpepe to others to get rewards. And so they have the Pepe images, the blockchain tech, community participation, and then the token, and then they have the roadmap on here as well. So, and then the DAO. So basically the roadmap is just talking about in what order they're going to put out those use cases. And then we have the token allocation here. It says 45% of the tokens go to liquidity, 15% marketing, 20% goes to team operations, and 20% goes to central exchange listings like Mexc Global. So again, if you're looking to get this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today on Mexc Global. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.